To my channel, Taken Wheels with Pat. Today I'm in Moss Auto Center in Moss, Norway, and I have a little surprise for you. So I just turned the camera just to show you what I'm gonna test drive in. That's the new MG ZS Facelift. I mean, there is not much to. We see the design of the MG, but there is a new look, a new feature. The badge in the back is different. You see the lights, the brake lights are the same, but the back lights and the back is a little bit different. And the charge port is displaced on the left side, and we'll go and see inside. Well, for those that have the original MG ZS EV, will recognize the interior. I'm sorry I will make a lot of mistake today because I'm so thrilled to see the car. I really like the double stitching, little touch. The rest looks the same from that side. We'll see how we start. I mean, the buttons are placed exactly the same, except you have now those buttons that used to be under. They are now a little bit more reachable. Plus you have the 12 volt outlet, and you have a new screen. What I like as well is the seats as well are a little bit more. You see on the side here, they have a little bit more help for the back. Let's start. To start that car. Fantastic. So according to the VLTP, it has 450 kilometers, 70 kilowatt hour battery. I like the display as well. It's a little bit different. So the screen, let's see how the screen works. Yeah, it's okay. Really responsive. Navigation, music. Now the screen is extremely responsive. You see, I just touch and it goes. And I think that it has as well an app on this one. There will be an app on this one. You have a 360 camera view, where you can choose as well where you want to see the picture. And you have here, you can control as well. The climb is a little bit different. It's not anymore the button in the middle, but you have everything really well placed. Let's have a look in the boot. The boot is the same size as the original, as well with the two position and some place under. On the back, nice seat as well. You see, with a nice carbon finished, vegan leather. You have a backrest as well in the middle now, and you have a cup holder. Fantastic. Really nice, really nice. And in the back, I'm just gonna close the door. It's a little bit in the back. You can see you have a USB outlet and USB-C if you want to charge your mobile. So it means that if you have the USB-C, you have a little bit more capacity to charge. It's like in the front. If you see in the front, you have a USB on the left side and the USB-C on the right side. Just gonna put the camera a little closer. Here we go. There's another thing I just found out, which is a little bit different. I mean, it has as well the roof that can open and so on, but the buttons are a little bit different. But it's a nice finish as well. Really nice. Well, another new thing, if I check in the inside of the engine bay, the engine is different. New engine, BMS is different. I think that the pump for the brakes is different, so you don't hear it when you brake. The ABS as well is a little bit gentle, and it's they have soundproofed the whole car as well. And I see there are two screws here. It might be possible afterwards to have something coming here to have maybe a frunk. I don't know. Who knows? The other thing I like is the charging port. You have the charging state here. You remember on the usual MG you have the badge blinking, but here you have the charging state. Another thing they did, if you open here, you see that they are protected as well against the water and whatever that can come in here. And it seems that the port is the door is a little bit better in case of a frost. And that's as well something new, the front camera, since the car has camera all over, 360 camera, so then you have one in the front. So I hope that I will be able to test drive it as soon as possible, so that I can put it post a video. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.